If you are striving for success, try the techniques that have helped me transform my setbacks into success. I battled severe illness during my early years, but that didn't stop me from achieving my dreams. If you want to know how you can succeed faster, when the odds appear to have been stacked against you, stay tuned. Life may have its challenges, but it's essential to get serious about your goals early on. Don't waste precious time on frivolities. The key is to embrace every opportunity to learn, grow, and make mistakes. Your mistakes will shape you into a smarter, more capable individual. Start working towards your dreams right now, and don't be disheartened by setbacks. Remember, the earlier in life you start doing this, the better. If you're feeling uncertain about your life goals and purpose, you're not alone. This phase can be overwhelming, but fear not, as there are practical steps you can take to help you find clarity and set meaningful life goals. Let's dive in. The first step towards finding clarity is self-discovery. Take time to reflect on your interests, passions, and values. Think about activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Engage in new experiences, such as volunteering, traveling, or exploring different hobbies. These experiences can help you uncover your strengths and weaknesses, paving the way to discovering your life purpose. It's perfectly fine not to have all the answers. Instead of stressing over long-term goals, focus on setting short-term objectives. Identify things you want to accomplish in the next few months or a year. Short-term goals are flexible and allow you to experiment with various paths. Remember, it's okay to pivot and change course if something doesn't resonate with you. Before creating an action plan, it is important to decide exactly what you want. Clarity is the most important quality of goal setting and perhaps the most critical aspect of success. Instead of fuzzy goals like more money, better health, and happiness, be specific about how much money you want to earn in a specific period or the level of health and fitness you desire. Set goals that are multidimensional, covering all aspects of your life: health, career, finances, relationships, personal and professional development, and community and spiritual growth. No matter how old you are, don't be afraid to explore different fields and interests. Embrace your curiosity and be open to learning new things. Attend workshops, seminars, or online courses on subjects that intrigue you. This continuous learning process will help you discover what truly excites you and what you're naturally drawn to. It's essential to focus on things that really pay off, rather than wasting time on stuff with little return. Learning a new skill can truly change your life for the better. Don't underestimate the power of improving yourself by just 1% each day. Over time, that can make a massive difference in your life. Make it a habit to learn something new every day. Age doesn't matter, you can always achieve something great. Reach out to mentors or individuals who inspire you. Seek guidance from people who have experienced similar uncertainty in their lives. They can provide valuable insights and advice to help you navigate this phase of life. Remember, successful individuals have faced similar challenges and can offer invaluable wisdom. Personal growth is a lifelong journey, and it's never too late to focus on it. Read books on self-improvement, listen to motivational podcasts, and surround yourself with positive influences. Developing a growth mindset will empower you to face challenges and embrace opportunities with confidence. Finding clarity and purpose takes time. Be patient with yourself and understand that it's okay to evolve and change. Embrace the journey and allow yourself to grow organically. Remember, clarity often emerges from a combination of experiences, learnings, and personal growth. Reassess what you're investing your time and energy in. Instead of building other people's businesses, focus on your own passion. Whether you're an entrepreneur or not, align your life with your ambitions. Devote yourself to what drives you the most. If you love your job or business, you'll be motivated to excel and put in the hard work necessary for success. Distractions can hinder progress. Identify activities that don't contribute to your goals and cut them off. Reduce the number of social media platforms you use and limit time-wasting habits. By eliminating distractions, you'll free up more time and energy to concentrate on what truly matters. Passion is the key to unlocking success faster. When you love what you do, work becomes more than just a job, it becomes an enjoyable pursuit. Dive into your interests, constantly learning and improving. Your dedication will set you apart from others and fast-track your journey towards success. Write your goals down on a sheet of paper. Only 3% of adults have written goals, and everyone else plans to write them down someday. Success begins with a piece of paper, a pen, and a few minutes of your time. Start with the 3-goal method. Write down your 3 most important goals in life. Whatever you manage to write down is likely an accurate picture of what you really want. Writing a goal down activates your subconscious mind and attracts circumstances consistent with achieving your goal. Set a deadline for your goal, or if it's a large goal, set a series of sub-deadlines. If you don't achieve your goal by the deadline, set another deadline. A deadline acts as a forcing system on your subconscious mind toward achieving your goal on schedule. There are no unreasonable goals, only unreasonable deadlines. Make a list of everything you'll have to do to achieve your goal. Identify obstacles, necessary knowledge and skills, and the people whose help you'll require. The more comprehensive your list, the more motivated you'll become. Prioritize and sequence your action steps. List every single step that you can think of and add new items as they come to mind. The 80-20 rule states that 80% of your results come from 20% of your activities. Plan your days, weeks, and months in advance. Each minute spent on planning saves 10 minutes on execution. Select your most important goal for the day and take action. Keep track of your progress and make adjustments along the way. Ensure you're doing something every day to move you closer to your desired outcome. Remember, if you want to change your future, take action now. This is a transformative period filled with possibilities. Embrace this phase with an open mind and a willingness to explore. Self-discovery, setting short-term goals, curiosity, mentorship, personal growth, and patience are essential elements to find clarity and determine your life purpose. Trust the process, and remember, you have the power to shape a purposeful and fulfilling life. If you decide to never give up, you will definitely succeed. Ignore the people who've told you that you can't do it, whether it was in school or anywhere else. Believe in yourself and get in the right mindset. I promise you, you can do it. If I could overcome all the negative comments I've received throughout my life, you can too. People have called me dumb, saying I could never be a good teacher due to my lack of intelligence or accent or education. But I didn't let them stop me, and neither should you. Go out there and live your life to the fullest. So there you have it, my journey from illness to success. Life may throw challenges your way, but with determination and focus, you can achieve your dreams faster than you ever imagined. Remember, get serious early, build your life around your passion, cut off distractions, and pursue what you love. Leave a like if you found this video inspiring, and share it with anyone you think could benefit from these success strategies. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay motivated and keep striving for success. I wish you the best and, may you soon turn your dreams into reality.